It's golden and crisp, but not fried. It's soft and layered, but not a croissant. It's packed with fresh flavor, but takes no yeast. What am I? Well, if you guessed flatbread, you're absolutely right. Today, I'm sharing with you how to make the crispiest, flakiest, vegan scallion flatbread with just simple ingredients. No yeast, no oven, just mix, roll, and cook. This is one of those easy, comforting recipes that works as a side dish, works as a snack, or even a base for your wraps or your sandwiches. Oh, and you might have noticed I'm in a new kitchen, and I'll be sharing a life update in just a bit. Plus, I'm doing a giveaway, so stick around to the end because you don't want to miss out. All right, so let's talk about what you'll need for this easy flatbread. You probably already have most of these ingredients in your kitchen. So what you'll need is some all-purpose flour to give you that base for a soft but crispy texture. Baking powder will add that light fluffiness that you'll need for your bread. Some toasted sesame oil for that nutty aroma. Some warm water, salt, and olive oil or any neutral oil to bring it all together. And our star of the show, which is our scallions, to give it that mild, oniony flavor. Let me know in the comments, have you ever made scallion flatbread before? Now let's start by making the dough. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Now I'm slowly adding the warm water and the oil. This makes the dough smooth and pliable. Mix until it starts coming together. I like to knead for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elasticy. If your dough feels a little sticky, dust a little extra flour. And if it feels too dry, add a little bit more water. Dough is more about the feel. You know, I first discovered scallion flatbread years ago when I was experimenting with homemade bread recipes. I love how something so simple can be so flavorful and satisfying. Once it's nice and smooth, cover it up and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes so the gluten can relax. In the meantime, let's prep our scallions. Scallions are what make this bread so good. They add that mild, oniony flavor that gets even better as it cooks. I like to use about 1/2 cup of finely chopped, but if you love scallions, go ahead and add more. Do you love scallions? Or are you more of a garlic person? Let me know. Now that our dough has rested, let's divide it into 6 equal pieces. Roll one piece out to about 1/4 inch thick. Now brush it lightly with toasted sesame oil. This step is optional, but it adds an amazing flavor. Then sprinkle on a generous handful of chopped scallions. You want to know my secret technique for fluffier layers? Well, we're going to roll it up into a log, then coil it into a spiral, kind of like a cinnamon roll. This creates thin, flaky layers inside the flatbread. Now flatten it out again and roll it out one last time before cooking. Now let's get them in a skillet. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a little oil. Once it's hot, place the flatbread in and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and spots form. Press it down lightly with a spatula for even cooking. And there you have it, vegan scallion flatbread. Crispy, golden, and delicious. The crunch, the softness is perfect. So now for the bonus I promised you. So I'll be hosting a 14-day detox plant-based challenge on April 1st, and I'd love for you to join me. This program includes a complete meal plan with nourishing recipes, a grocery shopping list to help you on your journey, and tips and guidance in a private Facebook group, and much, much more. Join me on this reset by grabbing your 14-day plan on my website, thedivinechef.com. Now for the giveaway. So my husband and I just relocated to a new city in Mexico. To celebrate, I'm giving away 2 copies of my plant-based detox program. To enter, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment below what city do you think that we move to. So your options are Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, Mazatlan, Guanajuato City, Mexico City, or San Miguel de Allende. I'll announce the winner soon. Thank you for joining today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.